Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see Goslotto 550. If it's the first time, you may subscribe to the channel, like and share. Let's make money together. Yeah, so let's start. We're going to create a code. You can join us on this number by only WhatsApping. You will only WhatsApp when you are ready to join. To join is 100 rand and is once off. It's just a once off. Eh? So 061 96 78 350. You can pay 100 rand once off, buy OTT voucher and send it to this phone number. I will add you immediately. You can clarify if you want to join Lotto numbers. Mention a Lotto so that I can know, because I'm receiving many different messages from forex traders, and yours also have to know who what are we are talking about. Okay, thank you. So thank you for subscribing. I will try my best to bring new interesting forex stuff. Sorry, not the stuff. Why is forex in my brain? Sorry. So there's something I studied and I wanted to show it to you. You will take these numbers in the front, you add them together, right? Let's start above, because I think you will take these numbers, right? You add them together, you multiply by 5, and you add this one as well, you multiply by 5. So firstly, you can see here we have a 28, you multiply by 5. We have a 40, I keep 1, and we have here 10, 14. Yeah, 14. So the answer is 140. When you multiply this one by 5, 140, you just take 14 and the 40. Take the clear number 100. So that's how 41 played here. So when you add this one, it's gonna give us 35. When you add all three, we're gonna have a 35. Then you multiply by 5, it's gonna be 25 here, 15, 17. So the answer is 175. So we have a meaning, we have a 14, we have a 17, we have a 15, and we have a 40. Alright? So those are the numbers which you must play on this draw and the next draw. So that's where this number came from. You skip mostly this strategy, you skip the draw to play, and it's always working. Where is the other one? So for example, here we are adding the first three numbers. Let's say what is the answer here? 70, 80. Now we start with these two numbers. We have 80. 80 multiplied by 5 is 400. Then 400 we have just 4 and 40. This number we play the other draw. They are liking to skip a draw. That's where 4 came from. Then when you add the first two numbers to multiply by 5, you get 72. No, 80. No, sorry, 102. Wait. 80 plus 32. We are having 11 and 2. So it's 112. Then you take 112 multiply by 5. We have a 10 here, 5, 6, 5. Right? So you can see that we have the number which is in the 56. Right? This is about the 56. You can see that 56 is a hot here. So what I do here, I just do minus 10 and add these numbers together. So minus 10, we are having a 46, and they're adding a 10 together, both together it's 11. So we're expecting 56 and 11, which didn't come. All right, let's go here. Here we are having 29. As I told you, 29, the strategy 27. All right, yesterday, remember, I got 29, then I gave you also 27. So they played it 2 and 7, they split it as a number, but you can see that 27 came. All right, so as soon as you get 29 in your code, there is a 27, then we have a 29 multiplied by 5, 5 here, and 4. So you can see 4 is hot here. Do you see 4 here? So we have a 14 which already played. We have also 4 and 44 or 1. So that's 4 become hot, but we still have a 44. 44 is also a number you can play to the next row because they are skipping the numbers. Let's go. We have a 29 plus 7 is 36 multiplied by 5 is 18 here. So the next row we have also 18, right? Let's go. So we have remember here we got 46. We have a 44 now. We have 18 now. Let's see if they're gonna have some relationship. We have a 29, 39 here, right? Then when you multiply by 5 is 45, I think. 15, 19. So we have a 15 and 19 as well. The relationship we have a 43, 5 here. When you add all the number is a 53 times what? Sorry. 43 times 5 is a 15, 21. So it's 250. So you can see 15, it look like it's gonna come back. Yeah. So let's go. That was the first one. So the first one gave us 44, 18, 15, 46. So let's go to the next one. The next strategy is to take the last two numbers. You add them together in separate ways and you divide it by 2. We have 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9. We're having 6. 6, 10, 19. So 19, you add 8 is 27. You divide it by 2. It's gonna give us 27 divided by 2 is 13,5, which give us 13,5. You round it to 15. Sorry, to 14, because behind the comma there is a number which is over 4. So that's where 14 came from. So the strategy doesn't work always, but it's work most of the draws. So here we are having 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It's gonna give us 6, 9, 13. Then you're going to take this 13 plus 8 is 21. 21, and you can see 21 it came as 12 divided by 2 it's 11. So 11 was, you can see they still use the same strategy even though they took our number straight away without dividing. So meaning you can play that number or the division of it. So let's go with a 5, 9, 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. Then 24 divide by 2 is what? 12. So 12 already played. You can consider to do minus 3. I saw they are doing minus 3. But so, since 11 appeared the previous, we can use 11. Or use a 15 as a plus 3 or minus 3, which is 9, right? Yeah, so that's how it is. 16, 9, 11, 15. So that is it. Then the other strategy is take this code, which here we have a 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Meaning that you are taking this code, which is sitting here, to create another code. 2 plus 4 plus 2, for example, it's 8. Then you take 8 plus 5 plus another 5. 5 are numbers of the draw. We have 58, 63. Then this 63 you multiply by 2, which 2 means the bonus ball are 2, which give us 126. 126. So these are the numbers you're supposed to play after a draw. You skip a draw, so we have a 12, we have a 26, we have a 18. 26 plus 1 is 27, and 26 minus 1 is 25. That's where these two numbers came from, right? So or you skip a draw. So for example, here we have 8, 9, plus 50 is 59, plus 5 is 64, which is 128 when you multiply. 128 is 12, 28, and 28 plus 1 is 29. They are liking to add the 1, so it's better you focus on 29, and you can focus the first and the last number because the first number is used, but still you can use it because this lotto repeat two numbers on draws. They repeat two numbers, meaning that you are having a chance to select only 3 numbers, meaning the lotto is a difficult one, right? So we have 18 and 29 and 12, right? Using this code, because remember we are skipping a draw. So if we say 128, playing on the same draw, we still have a 12 here. We still have a 28 minus 1, which is 27, right? So it's okay as well, all right? So here we are having 8, 10, plus 50 is 60, plus 5 is 65, minus 2 is plus 2, times 2 is 130. So we have a 13 and 29 and 31 because they are doing mostly plus. So 13, 29 and 31, because 13 also you can spin it. Yes, from this code strategy, guys, right? The other strategy I did teach you is take this number which is sitting here. You understand it? I hope we're gonna make a money. So we have a 6 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 10. That's where 7 came from. 6 also is working. 6 is here, and then since the number is used is the same, just leave it, meaning that it's not useful to us. Then we have a 5 plus or minus 1 is 6 and 4. 4 is sitting there, right? So they also do that. 5 also, you can plus or minus 10 is a 15. Yeah. So thank you. Those are the numbers. I don't remember with 44, 18, 15, 12, 13, 29, 31. I didn't type the numbers down. Thank you. Bye bye.